Hey, I'm Clara. So today we're going back in time a bit. We're talking about the past simple tense. Basically, this is the tense you use when you're telling someone what happened. You know, like when you're explaining your weekend or sharing a story about something that already finished. Okay, so most verbs are pretty easy. You just add ed to the end. Like, I walked to the store. She cooked dinner. Super simple. But English wouldn't be English without some curveballs, right? There are tons of irregular verbs that just completely change. Like, I don't say I good to the beach. I say I went. Or, we seed a movie. Nope, it's we saw a movie. You kind of just have to learn these as you go. Oh, and one more thing. Words like yesterday, last week, or 2 years ago are huge clues that you're talking about the past. Anyway, let me tell you a quick story so you can see how this all works. The weekend trip. So yesterday the sun was shining and Anna woke up super early. She was feeling excited because she decided to take a spontaneous trip to the coast. She threw some snacks and water in a bag, called her dog Max, and they headed to the car. She drove for about 2 hours before they finally got to the beach. The second they arrived, Max totally lost it. He jumped out of the car and sprinted straight for the water. It was actually his first time seeing the ocean, and he just started barking at the waves and splashing around like crazy. Anna found a spot in the sand, sat down, and just watched the sunset. She took this deep breath and soaked it all in. They stayed until it got dark, then drove back home. She was exhausted, but honestly, she felt amazing. Did you catch all those irregular verbs? Shone, woke, felt, drove. They're everywhere in storytelling, and once you get comfortable with them, your English just sounds way more natural. So yeah, that's the past simple. It's really your go-to for stories. Keep an eye out for those time words, practice the irregular verbs, and you'll get the hang of it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'm Clara, and I hope this helped. Keep practicing. Keep telling your stories. It's honestly the best way to learn.